Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Klipsch S1 true wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them, you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for some reason, whether they're not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now if you decide to just get a new set of earbuds, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good pair at a good price. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this is just for any variety of reasons where you want to delete all the pairing history, connection history off of them so that you can set them up basically like they're brand new coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do this. It's really easy to do. First thing we want to do is just go on our phone or whatever we've had them connected to before and delete them off of there, have them forget the device or whatever. Once we do that, we're going to take our earbuds. They need to be powered off. If they are on, you can just press and hold the button on them for 3 seconds and then that will turn them off. Once they're both off, we're just going to come in and press and hold the button on the back simultaneously for 8 seconds. And just keep holding and keep an eye on the light, and the light will blink like kind of a slight purple once they've been reset, at which point we can let go. Then we want to put them back in the case, close the case, and that will repair them to one another. And then we can take them back out and set them up basically like they're a brand new set of earbuds.